Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Saint-Dominique, a charming municipality located in the Montérégie region of southwestern Quebec. Situated about 70 kilometers from Montreal and approximately 9 kilometers southeast of Saint-Hyacinthe, Saint-Dominique offers a peaceful rural setting with a rich history and a close-knit community. The history of Saint-Dominique dates back to 1833, when it was canonically established as a parish. The municipality's name honors Saint Dominic, the founder of the Dominican order. Geographically, Saint-Dominique is situated on a plateau between the Richelieu Valley and the Estrie region. The Mackay River flows through the northeastern part of the municipality, adding to its picturesque landscape. The area is characterized by its fertile lands, making agriculture a significant part of the local economy. Whether you're interested in exploring its rich history, enjoying the natural beauty of the Montérégie region, or experiencing the warmth of a close-knit community, Saint-Dominique has something to offer. It's a place where tradition and modernity coexist, making it a unique destination in Quebec.
Thanks for watching!